Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's second splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions have come in. This was a $97.39 commission that came in one day. And more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how even as a free member, you can earn these commissions. So I'm also going to show you a bit later on how you can earn multiple income streams with Second Splash and also monthly recurring ones. We've got some free resources and some free tools and training a bit later on that I'll show you that are going to help you promote and build Second Splash and get free viral passive traffic as well, not just an income source, but also a great traffic source as well. So if you look on here, what you do is you get a notification that says you made a commission. This came through yesterday, December the 14th. And then they notify you of all your commissions. This is a referral that I made that paid upfront for the monthly subscription, paid it all up front. So that's how you can earn these sort of commissions. But as a free member, I'm on 50% commission. As a free member, you would earn 25% of this commission. Let me take you into the back office now of Second Splash. And what you'll see here is you get free viral passive traffic. But I want to focus a little bit today on how you can earn some income with this program as well. So it's not just a great traffic source, it's also a great income source as well. And what happens is if I go into, there'll be a link in the description where you can set up a free account and then just come down the left-hand side here on the menu and work through all these tabs. But when you go into how all this works, then you go into Commission Explained, and then this shows you how as a free member you can earn 25%. This is monthly recurring commission on your referrals. So you're giving away a free viral passive traffic program, and those that want to upgrade to earn more commissions, so the pros earn 50%, then you can still earn as a free, but a pro will earn 50%. So this sort of explains here Second Splash recurring commissions. Now I want to talk also about the bonus income. So if I go onto my stats dashboard, this one here, the bonus income. Now the bonus income is a program called Easy Cash for Ads. And Craig Haywood, who's the co-owner of Second Splash, launched Easy Cash for Ads 6 years ago. Now it's not just an income source, it's also 100% autopilot buyer's traffic source. And all you do is you pay your one-time payment of $19. And then what you do is you click here to join, and then you put your username in here and you update. And then if any of your referrals join Easy Cash for Ads, you can earn referral income and you can also earn passive income. Now, I'll just show you how that works because I've been a member of Easy Cash for Ads now for quite some time. I joined last year. And if I go into view your commissions, you'll see that I've earned $720 into profit with Easy Cash for Ads. But $300 of this has come in passive income. And every single month for 18 months, commissions have come in. So you can not only earn money, if you join Easy Cash for Ads through the Second Splash back office, you can also promote this as a separate offer as well and earn even more commissions on your Easy Cash for Ads program. And if you want to go onto my channel and see there 720 into profit, I've done a playlist and I've also done lots of videos on Easy Cash for Ads. I show my journey right from the very first day on my playlist when I got my first 2 qualifier sales. So I show you exactly how my journey's gone with that. And for a program that hasn't got any monthly membership costs, it's a great way to get into profit fast. and earn monthly recurring income as well by promoting that. You can put it into your second splash funnel, or you can just promote it as a standalone traffic and income source. We're going to give you all the free tools and resources. If you click the link in the description and join our team and join Second Splash with us, we're going to give you a done-for-you lead capture page exactly the same as this, and we're going to give you a done-for-you funnel exactly the same as this. So this is going to be another income stream. You can earn an income stream with Leads Leap. So yeah, we promote this. We do our promotion through the Leads Leap tools, and also with the Leads Leap traffic as well as a Leads Leap member. With Leads Leap, you get a free lifetime membership. But when any of your referrals join Leads Leap, we teach you how to put your affiliate link in here where it says join Leads Leap, and then you learn even another monthly recurring income stream, even as a free member. So it's a really simple step-by-step setup. We've given you a video tutorial here, beginner friendly, that teaches you step-by-step how to set your funnel up. So this is a second splash done for you funnel. We use the share code below that you see here. This is just copy and paste and a few clicks. The video tutorial teaches you exactly step by step how to set everything up. So there'll be a link in the description where you can also get this page. You can either join Leads Leap through the link in the description. Sorry, you can join Second Splash through the link in the description. If you don't want this funnel, you don't have to use this, but it's just converting well. And it's a multiple income stream funnel, even as a free member. If you don't upgrade with anything, you can still earn multiple income streams with this free done for you funnel if you join our team. What I'll also do is I've done a blog review on Second Splash. I'm going to pin this to the top comment below this video if you like to if you want to visit my blog and then you want to read a nice review on how Second Splash works. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that. If you give me a like, that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and there's now over 850 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about Second Splash or Easy Cash for ads or the Done For You funnel, then please leave those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'm also going to put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. And if you'd like some one-to-one mentoring, you can contact me through that email address as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. Click the link in the description. Come and join Second Splash with our team. It's totally free to join, and you can start getting some viral passive traffic to your offers. That's the first place to start and get some good traffic. And then you can go from there and decide which way you want to go. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.